Hello. My name is Scarlet. This is Scarlet News. Here are the top stories for this hour. Trump falsely claimed victory in the election Saturday after Insider and its election partner, Decision Desk HQ, projected the race in Joe Biden's favor on Friday. Allegheny County in Pennsylvania has about 20,000 ballots left to count, County Executive Rich Fitzgerald said today, adding that those results will start coming in batches starting later this morning or early afternoon. President-elect Joe Biden called on a deeply divided United States to come together and heal on Saturday, moments after he was declared the winner of Th. Controversial Brooklyn snitch Tekashi 699 was seen mocking the death of Chicago rapper King Von on social media Friday, reportedly due to his ongoing feud with King Von associate, rapper Lil Durk. The national spotlight is on South Bend, Indiana Saturday night and a top 4 showdown between number 1 Clemson and number 4 Notre Dame on NBC in a 7:30 p.m. start. ESP. The Iowa Department of Public Health on Saturday reported 4,249 new virus cases and 14 additional deaths as more counties report a high positivity rate. Music, film, TV, and political news coverage. Thiago Santos won 3 in a row at light heavyweight before challenging Jon Jones in 2019. The former vice president again urged patience from supporters as battleground states Arizona, Georgia, Nevada, and Pennsylvania continue tallying votes this weekend. Orange County went for Biden, but the blue wave might all but disappear. This concludes breaking news. Now to technology. The new game is very early in development and will likely arrive after the new Dragon Age project. Spring 2021, after what feels like an eternity of writing about the supposed Mass Effect trilogy remaster, it's finally. Harlem Globetrotters, https://www.youtube.com/watch, v equals 2007 Juik not getting a PlayStation 5? No problem, as marvels. AMD's Ryzen 5000 Zen 3 desktop CPUs have been spotted running on A320 and X370 motherboards while B450 beta BIOS support is already added. Watch Dogs Legion's lead programmer says a re-architecture of the way open-world games are made is in order to take full advantage of next-gen hardware. Twitch has banned a streamer for using an inappropriate name despite being active for over 8 years, leaving them puzzled as to why now. It is being reported that Square Enix has lost around $63 million on Marvel's Avengers after selling $3 million copies of the video game. In this video, we test the loading speeds on Xbox Series X and PS5 with a handful of backwards compatible games. Google Photos is one of Android's most popular apps, but it was only a matter of time before Google started looking for ways to turn the storage hog into Got your eyes on the iPhone 12 series? Try your luck at winning one in Pocket Now's iPhone 12 mini/max giveaway in partnership with Zipcase. This concludes technology. Now to science. A key senator says she will continue to push for passage of a NASA authorization bill that supports the Artemis program, but not its 2024 goal. A new analysis of data from the Kepler Space Telescope and the European Space Agency estimates that at least 300 million exoplanets in the Milky Way could support life. Baby sharks are thriving off the coast of California, researchers say, and when they go hunt, they're a lot more interested in stingrays than people. Chris Lowe, director of the Shark Lab at Science News Summaries. New research suggests a duckbill dinosaur could have traveled across the ocean. Tesla has launched a GPS-3 satellite on behalf of customer the U.S. Space Force, the second GPS-3 generation satellite it has launched for the U.S. military this year. The first took off in June, and was the third overall GPS-3 put in orbit by space. What are the Leonids? The Leonid meteor show, which lights up the night sky annually in November, will peak on November 17th. Here's how you can watch it. A flash of luck helped astronomers solve a cosmic mystery: what causes powerful but fleeting radio bursts that zip and zigzag through the universe? Scientists have known about these energetic pulses called Science News Summaries. Scientists exhumed the 9,000-year-old remains of the female hunter from an ancient Peruvian burial ground and suggest that prehistoric women were no strangers to hunting. Rocket Lab aims to recover the first stage of its two-stage Electron rocket during its next mission, which is scheduled to launch from New Zealand during a window that opens on November 15. On November 5, SpaceX is scheduled to launch a new GPS-3 satellite for the U.S. Space Force, the fourth of a new block of GPS vehicles meant to modernize the current fleet in orbit. This concludes science. Now to business. Bye-bye, Trump. Fake news media Decrypt was one of several media outlets to call the win for Joe Biden today after he cinched the vote. These companies are great ways to play the explosive growth in solar energy. By a vote of 1 for, 8 against, and 2 abstaining, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's FDA, Peripheral and Central Nervous System Drugs Advisory Committee concluded Friday that positive clinical data from Biogen's BIIB. The lawsuit followed a scandal that erupted last year, when the National Enquirer revealed details of Jeff Bezos' relationship with Lauren Sanchez. Are you in danger of breaking them right now? Meanwhile, there's an additional crime scene a short distance from the Waffle House, APD says. There, officers found a man dead inside of a vehicle. Ride the wave higher with these 3 industrial stocks. Some people retiring at full retirement age can get up to $37,776 from Social Security in 2021. Will you be one of them? The legality of cannabis can differ greatly, depending on where you live. There's only a month left to make a decision that could have a huge impact on your health in 2021. This concludes business. Now to health. Over 6,000 people in China's northwestern city of Lanzhou have tested positive for brucellosis, state health authorities say. Now to entertainment. Joe Biden has officially won the 2020 presidential election, and of course, that means a new audio animatronic at the Hall of Presidents. For billionaire investor Mark Cuban, the best deals on ABC's Shark Tank happen when entrepreneurs pitch a unique product that he hadn't thought of himself. Andy and Barney had a special relationship in the early seasons of The Andy Griffith Show, but the arc was nixed. Andy and Barney had a special relationship in the early seasons of The Andy Griffith Show, but the arc was nixed. https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals Nxijias 0w0 and feature equals u2.b Universal hero Kamal Hassan is celebrating his birthday today and so wishes are pouring. Fans know Alex Trebek will have to be replaced one day and their wish list is ready. Fans know Alex Trebek will have to be replaced one day and their wish list is ready. I can no longer turn my head the other way, Elena Samedinova tells people of her split from Gleb Savchenko. Did you know that Jim Carrey almost played Buddy the Elf and that Will Ferrell turned down a massive payday to do a sequel? Unwrap more tidbits. Your daily tarot card reading is here for Saturday, November 7, 2020 for all zodiac signs with a prediction using numerology and astrology while the Sun is in Scorpio and the Moon is in Leo. Cody Rhodes responds to negative feedback about Hikaru Shida vs Nilla Rose build. Top MLW star reportedly on the radar of WWE, AEW, Impact Wrestling. Please subscribe.